good achievement to me. Before, when I am in intermediate, sir, Harish Rao sir came and inaugurated our college. It's just like a biggest college in our Telangana. At that time, I have said to sir that it's not about to say that I already promised to sir that, however, I will become something and I will stand on my feet, because we are 5 sisters and one brother. At that time, my father was farmer. It's really very hard to study in private colleges. Up to 4th class I have studied, but it's very difficult to pay the fees. At that time, God has shown us and sent to the KCR to give help to these people. At that time, I felt very happy. At that time I promised, but now I proved. Finally I'm going to become a doctor. It's very thankful to our sirs and all our teachers who have given this much of quality of education. Otherwise I said that I could not be a doctor, because at that time I have nothing. I don't know even that how to study and how to become. I don't have even a knowledge that I should become something, because my whole family is uneducated. They have studied up to only for qualification, but no one has become a doctor. And today I am very happy to say that my families and in fathers and mothers, I am first doctor from our family. It's very happy to me say that. And our leaders have supported very much. Every time they used to come and visit us, and they used to solve all of our problems. Really, today I'm feeling very lucky that I have to be a Tembrician, and I'm very proud to be a KCR sir, that he's done everything which our parents could not do. Even they have money, really it's like a father to us. I'm very happy to KCR sir and all us who has supported us. Really, it's a golden opportunity. So whoever still our sisters are studying, make them to study there, and they should utilize it. And if you I'm not a fresher, that I didn't get a seat in direct seat from, I'm not from intermediate. I have taken a long time. Don't be upset that if you don't get seat for one time. We should have patience and we should do hard work, because and Allah has there that everyone that after doing hard work He will show us, and we should prove ourselves. And we still today we are up to 16 members. In further teach your sisters to become and to do hard work. Still for every year 50 students should be there. And thank you for this opportunity. Thank you everyone.